Hello everyone, this is Sonam and welcome in my class. In this class, I will explain about the various to effective use of language. That what are the various that come when we do the effective use of language. There are certain words like jargons, terminology, euphemism, colloquialism, and slangs. So let us understand this one by one in details. So first is jargons. So, jargons are the special words or expressions used by a profession. These are some special words that is only used by a certain profession, not from everyone. Another or groups that are difficult for other to understand. There are some person or some groups, they basically only use certain kind of bird that is not used from everyone. Like there is scientists and their group, they always discuss some things about their field in by using that word only about their profession. The doctors have their own language, they talk in that language. They have certain difficult word that is not known from everyone. So that is only that are called jargons. For example, there is sort. What is sort? Sort is used from the business and the entrepreneur person. They have the knowledge of this. When they, when they do the analysis about their field, about their organization, so where they use to do a sort analysis. Sort analysis is S strength. S stand for strength, W stand for weakness, O strength for opportunity, and T strength for threats. So they do the analysis of their organization. They understand what is their strength, weakness, and what are the opportunities for them, and what are the threats that will come in future. So that are the words. Another is pastel. Like pastel is also used from the professions about the MBA person. They use this type of jargons like pastel, where P is stand for politics, economics, social, technology, ethical, and legal. The bay of this is all about micro environment. When they start their company, and for starting their setup, they first of all know about the environment, know about the micro environment, that is there is kind of politics, what kind of legal problem I will occur there, and what are the problem that in due to technology I will find. So they use that kind of word. And there is holistic is used by the yoga person, about the physics physician. They use this kind of word. So this is next is terminology. Terminology is the language used to describe a specific things, or the language used within a specific field. This is the language that is used by a specific field, a specific profession, that is not again used from everyone. So they have only certain groups, certain people have the knowledge of this words. There are some words like nomenclature. Basically, nomenclature is used by the by science student. They use nomenclature for naming the species, naming any like tree, words, mango. They have own their language, different language, scientific language. That is nomenclature. Again, species for how many species there are, eight species, that much. So this is like cell, heredity, ornithology is basically when they do the study of birds. So this is all. The next is euphemism. So, euphemism is a mild or indirect word or the expression that is substituted for one considered to be too harsh or blunt when referring to something unpleasant or embarrassing. When someone want to give the direction or indicating towards something that is embarrassing, that they don't want to speak that word directly, so they have some word for that, like kick the bucket. Kick the bucket means to die. So rather of using to die, some people use the bucket. Kick the bucket. There is some also word like special child. So according saying this, have the person have disabilities of is disability. He cannot see with their eyes. So better is to say special child. So there are some words that is called euphemism. Next is colloquialism. Colloquialism are the word or the phrases that is not formal or literacy or literally and used in the ordinary or familiar conversation. It is not used in a familiar conversation when we are talking to each other. They words are not used. There are some people they use this kind of words like go bananas. Go bananas means become very angry. So we can let us understand this with an example. Like she will go bananas if she see the house in this condition. If she will that she will see the bad condition of house, that everything is here there nothing on a right place, so she will go bananas, she will get angry. Eat my dust. Eat my dust means like when someone is too confident that this will happen in future. The some person say I know very well today India will won the match, win the match. So this is when the people used to see eat my dust means they are very confident what will happen in future. Go figure. Go figure is used to say that something is surprised or hard to understand. Something's very like surprised and don't know how this has happened. Like some people say there are some person that defeat many matches, and some people say I know, like go figure, you can win some matches in a future. So on that time they use go figure because they know about this thing that it is absolutely happen in future. Another is I wasn't born yesterday. Yes, some people say you cannot cheat me easily, I know everything, that I am not born yesterday only. So that is the phrase that the people use at that time. Another is slangs. What are the slangs? Slangs is a type of language consisting of words and phrases that are regarded as very informal, are more common in speech rather than writing, and are typically restricted to a particular context or a group of people. Some people don't use this type of word. They restricted that. They don't feel good while speaking. But some people speak that kind of word. For example, DIY. DIY you generally use from some people like do it by yourself. When someone in videos we have seen some home remedies, they talk about home remedies. They they say just I will tell some DIYs. And then killing me. Some people say it's too hurting me. While of instead of speaking it's too hurting me, like you are killing me. So these are some words that is used. So, guys, this is all about some barriers that come while affecting use of language. And thank you so much. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.